Welcome to my YouTube channel, Wake Up and Live. This is Bob. Today I'm waking up in Miami. I am here visiting my son and my daughter at college. They're living in an off-campus apartment complex, which is just right next to the college. Very convenient. They can walk and get to school in no time at all because of the coronavirus thing. But they both have decided that they wanted to, their lease is going to be up in a couple of months and they want to move to another apartment. And I'm here to look at it and see if it's feasible and see if it's doable and if it even makes sense. All right. Before I start the meat of my video, I just want to give you a little pan around and show you the complex before I start my my commentary. Right, so this is their balcony. That's the apartment to my right. I have a pool house, a pool, the other side of the complex. This is they're right next to the office. And that is just a small part of the rest of the complex. It goes all the way over. Very lush with trees and stuff. Very nice apartment. And as you can see, it's sunrise in Miami at this time. Now, if you're a Jamaican parent like me, you may have children born abroad, and you wish for them so much to be like you, the way you grew up in Jamaica. In Jamaica, we all learned how to make do with what we have. If all you have is lemons, you make lemonade with it, and you are good. But my kids want to move away to another complex, which is just beyond. Over there, it's a high-rise building, very nice too. Has all the amenities as this. The problem is, I don't think it's a good fit for them at this time. Now, considering they're not in a dormitory. Anyone who's been to college and been in a dorm, a little 6x6 housing, this here we're looking at is luxury. And they're good kids. They're doing what they're supposed to do. They stay on task and stay out of trouble. I'm very happy and proud with them. But I think this here is plenty, and I'm not saying they don't deserve more. I'm just saying this is already plenty, and I think they should just relax and renew their lease and don't go jumping for a high-rise building because it gives you a panoramic view and all that stuff. All that stuff will come later. All right, and so I don't think they're very happy right now that I'm actually suggesting that they stay here, but I'm gonna have to convince them that that's what it is. It's cheaper. I think it's more economical. There are a lot of other factors involved here, and I think this is already plenty. If you're a Jamaican parent who think along the lines I'm thinking, drop a comment in the bottom. Tell me if I'm being unreasonable, or you share my sense of what's plenty. All right. Again, thank you for watching. This is Wake Up and Live with Bob. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please do so. And drop me a comment in the bottom, a pleasant comment. Thank you.